Okay, some of you were wanting to rekey, change out your locks. Oh, if you know how to pull this out, sits in there. That black piece sits on here. I'll show you when I put it back. Let's see how to remove the lock cylinder. All right, stupid me. That must be for the ignition. That's your door lock cylinder. All right, try this again. Have you figured this part out? There's your clip. Take your old key, turn it, comes right out. Your new one, if you look in there, you see the slots, right? You'll see the slots in there. Line it up. Ooh, stuck here. The clip just goes right back in. All right. Now it doesn't come out. You lock and unlock. And then it goes back in same way you took it out. Let's walk on over here. And you got to remove the door panel. Putting it back in, I hope I got the camera set right. That slides under. Then you got to get down in there. And you got to hook the rods back up. I don't guess you can see anything, can you? No. Okay, this is the fun part where this can be a pain in the butt. You got to get that rods back on. It's beveled, so it should just slide right on, but it wants to be a butt head. There we go. This door rod, this other one is to lock it. That one's a pain in the butt. I'm gonna save that. There's your bolt, goes in the side. And you got this big clip. When when you take it off, you'll need like 2 screwdrivers or a ply bar or something. And you'll figure it out. Of course, I don't have the pry bar with me. I should go get it. There we go. You see, make sure that little tab is behind that. That keeps it from, it keeps it tight. Ain't going anywhere. I still got to get this stupid other rod on here. Hang on. Got that big one. All right, as you can see, maybe not, maybe not, oh well. They're both on there, so you can now lock and unlock the door. Also notice, here's the old key. See how it is? This is the new ones you get. See if I did it right. Door is locked. Door is unlocked. How about that? There we go. Now you clean up, put everything away. Now, wait. Got to put door panel back on. Oh, crap. All right. It's falling apart. Typical first gen. Plug in your dome light there. Hey look, still got the factory speakers. I should probably change them out, but they still work. Most of you probably know how to take door panel off. A couple of screws. That bugger. Ah, crap. I don't know what this is, but we really need it. Sucker don't want it. Why can't they make these one piece? You got them push clips on the bottom too. Don't forget those. There. These big buggers here, 14 millimeter. Got 3 of them. Move this back so you can see better. Do you care? You want to see? All right. My door handle's broke on the other side, so I'm going to swap it out. Or not door handle, the window crank. So, anyway, open and close. You can now lock it with the new key.